The moment I put these scrubs on is the moment I walk into work. I wanted to get ahead of the game as well in my future, and this course definitely gives me that. So my experience here at JTED helps me get a foot forward, mostly by introducing me to medical terminology, what I'd interact with in the real world, and with patients who maybe aren't as comfortable as they would be in a normal situation. We work with a variety of skills, but we work on a lot of blood skills like phlebotomy or just vaccines and stuff that we do in a normal, regular facility. This course is different from my other courses at Catalina Foothills High School because it feels like it relates directly to my future. How just interactive the courses were, I thought I'd be sitting in class taking notes all day, but we do so much. Despite coming from different backgrounds, we all are here to share a common goal. We all are here to better ourselves. Everybody wants to work with you, and everybody is just 100% in it.